My name is Tejashri Sato and today's date is 3 September 2021 and our today's video topic is check exception and uncheck exception. So we see in detail. So check and uncheck exception is a type of exception handling. So we see first one is what is meant by the exception handling. So first one we see the what is meant by the exception. So exception means what? Exception is a abnormal condition. As the name suggests, abnormal condition means if there is error or exception is possible, then we use something can be handled. So we use the exception handling. So then next one we see the exception handling. So definition of exception handling is that exception handling, it gives the functionality to the program to handle the runtime error. So it gives the normal flow and continuous flow to the program. So it does not stop execution of the program. It gives the continuous flow of the program. So first one is see the classification. So there is a throwable class is present. In a throwable class there are two types is available. First one is exception and second one is error. So in exception there are input output exception, SQL exception, then a runtime exception. In a runtime exception there are array out of bound exception, then our string out of bound exception, then null pointer exception. So next one is our error. In a error there are three types. First one is string out of memory, then next one is out of memory exception, out of memory error, and the virtual machine error. So in a error, the error cannot be handled. So difference between the exception handling and error is that the error cannot be handled and exception can be handled by using the try, catch, finally, and the throws keyword. So this is the type of the exception. So first one we see check and uncheck exception. So what is meant by the check exception? So check exception can be executed by compiler and it gives the at the time of the compilation period. So this is meant by the check exception. So next one is our uncheck exception. So this is not see and execute by the compile time. So this is about the uncheck exception. The example of check exception is that SQL exception and input output exception, IO exception, and the example of a uncheck exception is that array index out of bound, string index out of bound, null pointer exception. This is the example of uncheck exception. So check and uncheck exception, it is the type of the exception. So exception means what? Exception is a abnormal condition. So we see the one of the example of uncheck exception. So if we create class ABC, in that ABC class we take a main method. In that main method we write a code like string s1 is equal to we write in a s1 string we write the xyz. So in our output we want to output like x. In a sysout character at present index 10. So at the 10 index is not present in a s1 string. It only contains the 3 index. So there are 10 index cannot be available in a string s1. So it gives the string out of bound exception. So this is can we give our exception. So we write code in a try block like sysout statement, and in a catch block we write the handling code like something wrong we write, then in output we get the something wrong. It can be handled by using the try and catch block. So next one is our finally block we see. So finally block, in that finally block we only necessary code can be executed. So by using the finally block, the necessary code can be run by using the finally block. So we see the classification of the exception throwable. In a throwable, there are first one is our error and next one is our exception handling. So in a exception handling, first one we write the check exception like in out IO exception, and then we write the check exception like we write check exception like SQL exception. Then we write our uncheck exception like array out of bound, then string out of bound, then null pointer exception, that can be uncheck exception. Then we write. So this is the classification of the exception. So next one our concept is that the error. So error means what? Error is basic definition is that error can be handled. So if there are gives the error like RAM is full, so there are we can be changed. So RAM is full means can be we do programming for the RAM is full, so we can be handled. So this is about the out of memory. If our stack is overflow, then it gives the stack overflow error. Then next one is our virtual machine error. Means there are some technical issue are occurred, then it gives the virtual machine error. So this can be handled by using the coding or a programmer by the executor. So this is about the error. So there are two different concept of the error and exception handling. So the mainly difference of the check and uncheck exception is that the check exception can be handled and uncheck exception can be handled. In a check exception, it gives at the time of the compilation period, and uncheck exception it not gives at the time of the compilation period. So this is the type of the check exception is that the SQL exception and IO exception. Then we see the uncheck exception type is like array out of bound, then string out of bound, then null pointer exception. This is of the type of the uncheck exception. It not present at the compilation time of the period. So exception and exception handling and error, they are three different things. So there are views difference between the exception and exception handling and the error. So error means error means what? The error is also we can be handled. Then our exception is meaning is that abnormal condition, and the exception handling means what? Exception handling is the it gives the functionality to program to continuous flow. It resolve the runtime's error. So there is difference between the exception handling error and the exception. So in a exception handling there are three types. First one is a exception. Then means exception handling can be divided into three parts. First one is our exception handling, then next one is our uncheck and check exception, and third one is our check, uncheck, and third one is our error. So this is the three part can be available in a exception handling. So in this video we see the check and exception means what, and the type of the check exception and uncheck exception, and the difference between the check and uncheck exception when occurred the check and uncheck exception, and we see the example of the check and uncheck exception. So this is all about the check and uncheck exception. Thank you.